Guys, welcome to this training, and this is all about how to convert cold traffic into hard leads, sales and customers. Guys, if you are able to convert cold traffic, so that is people that have never ever heard of you before, you can easily scale to a business that's worth 6 and 7 figures a year. And trust me guys, we do it, and our clients inside of our Google coaching program do it, and this is how you do it, guys. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to put your business onto Google. Now 95% of people use Google to find products or services, and 95% of those people, believe it or not, will probably never even heard of you. So this is the power of this, guys, is being able to convert cold traffic into leads, customers and sales. And this is how we do it. So your customer, so we're going to draw a little customer stick face here, has gone to Google and they have typed into Google a service or a product that you offer. It can be any product, it can be any service, guys. I don't care what you offer. Google works, guys. You just need to understand the strategies on how to convert cold traffic into clients, customers and leads. So this is your cold traffic guy here. So we're going to say cold traffic, and we're going to put this guy in blue. So blue for cold. He has gone to Google, and this is what you now need to do, guys, is you now need to have an ad on Google that talks directly to this cold person. And the best way to do that is to make sure your cold traffic and your cold person feels understood, guys. I'm going to put that in bold capital letters below, understood. And what I mean by that is, if your customer has a pain point or is suffering from a problem or needs a solution, and your service or product can offer that, then guys, you have a good chance of converting that cold traffic person who's never heard of you into a sale. Now, very, very important, guys. Key thing to remember here is people online, and in particular when they start to use Google, when they're shopping around for a service or for a product, they are much more savvy, more intelligent, and they know that you are trying to get their marketing dollars from them, right? So here's what you need to do, which is a really important part, guys. Now, I would probably say about 60, 70%, as much as that high, depending on what industry you're in and what product or service you offer, right? But for 70 to 80% on average of people that will come to your Google ad and then visit your website. So we're going to put in here website, W for your website. So cold traffic goes to Google, sees your ad resonates with them, you make sure that they feel understood, so you will get the click on Google that will then come to your website. Now here's the magic, guys. Here is the biggest mistake a lot of business owners who are trying to market their business to cold traffic do not do. Guys, Mr. Cold Traffic person has come to your website once and they have not bought. Do not leave money on the table. This is what you now need to do. This is the power of what we call remarketing, guys. So what you will now do, that cold traffic that has gone to Google, looked at your ad, gone to your website and they did not buy, do not feel disheartened. Just because they did not buy, it doesn't mean, here's your time frame here, so we'll call this time. It does not mean that they will not buy here. A month down the line, 2 months down the line, 6 months down the line. We have clients inside of our Google coaching program that have been watching our free trainings, and that it's taken them nearly a year, some of them, to come into our world, into our program. And that's the power of remarketing, and that is how you can convert cold traffic, guys, into leads, clients and customers and make money. Guys, right, this is so powerful, and it is so many mistakes that business owners make when they do not know how to convert cold traffic, because You need to understand, guys, that most people out there on Google will never, ever even heard of you. They don't know who you are. But as a smart business owner, using Google and using the right strategies, you are now able to convert that traffic into sales, into leads, into customers, into clients. One thing really, really important I want to mention here about your Google ad. So just to keep on reiterating what I'm saying and repeating what I'm saying, because that's how important it is and I want it to sink into you guys, is go to Google, your ad to cold traffic. Research your customers. Why do they want your service? Why do they want your products? What pain are they suffering from? What solution do they need? What are they finding things difficult with? Yeah? So, I'll give you an example. Right? Let's say a cold traffic person is over 55 looking for life insurance. Well, talk in your ad, are you over 55? Do you need life insurance? Get life insurance without it being complicated, pain point, and without it costing the earth. Another pain point. Hopefully this is making sense, guys. So cold traffic goes to Google, ad that feels understood, goes to your website. Do not buy. They do not buy on the first visit, but you then put a remarketing Google plan in place whereby they will buy a week down the line, a month down the line, 3 months down the line, 6 months down the line, even a year down the line. So you're still keeping in touch and reminding that cold traffic person the service and products that you offer. And eventually, guys, if you get this right, eventually they will come into your world, they will buy your services and they will buy your products. So guys, if you like what you've heard, drop my lid there. If you like what you heard, guys, go and subscribe to the channel or check out the free Google Secret Backdoor training in the description, guys. So hopefully you've found this really useful, and I'll catch you up on the next training.